How much does AWeber cost? This is Matt, and this will be a video on AWeber pricing and the plans that they have. So as you can see here, I'm on the main AWeber pricing page. They've got a few different plans and lots of different options, so it can get rather complicated. I'm going to go through all of this pricing and the different plans in detail in this video. But first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. If you click on my link, you will find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how AWeber change their plans. And you can get a 14-day free trial on me by selecting one of these options right here, as you can see, that I'm highlighting right here. So 14-day free trial, you can check out if AWeber is for you. If it is for you, that's absolutely fine. You can stick around, get one of these pricing plans. If it's not, there's no risk to you. You can cancel at any time in that 14-day free trial. So if you're on the fence and you're looking to actually consider getting AWeber or any kind of email marketing, I highly suggest that you check out this trial. You won't know if it is for you until you actually start using it. You can use it and see if it is for you. So right here, I'm on the pricing page. We've got this done for you option, but the main option, what they describe themselves as the most popular, is their plus plan. So this says creators take your business to the next level. So essentially with this one, it is $20 per month. That is billed annually, which we'll get into in just a moment. And you get all of this good stuff. So you get an unlimited email lists, unlimited landing pages, email automations, custom segments, and users. You get the 24/7 support and so on and so forth. Not going to read out everything here. The Lite, if you're just starting out, this one is priced at $12.50 per month. That is also billed per annum. And you can see that you do have some restrictions here. You only get one email list instead of unlimited. You only get in 3 landing pages, 3 email automations, 3 users. So that actually should be clarified there. So by users, this is kind of team members essentially. It's obviously not users that are on your list, as we'll get into that. Those are actually called subscribers, and I'll get into that in just a moment. We've got 1 custom segment and the 24/7 support. You don't get some of the advanced features as well that you get with Plus. So highly advised Plus, that is the one that AWeber are kind of pushing you towards. So just to mention the annual billing and the monthly billing. So as AWeber are telling you here, you currently get 4 months free if you pay annually, if you pay per annum. So the thing with paying annually is you are going to have to pay for all of the months in one go, but you're getting that huge saving, which equates to 4 months free. If you do want the pay per month option, you can flip over to monthly, as I've done here, and you see that the prices do inflate somewhat, but you are not having to pay up front. So that is worth bearing in mind. Let's flip back to annual. Now, importantly, we have this slider right here. So you'll see that the prices change as I move the slider. So this is for 0 to 500 subscribers. So these prices are just for a maximum of 500 subscribers. Helps if I actually say it correctly. So that is important to actually differentiate there. If I scale this up, we now have 501 up to 1,000 subs. And you see that the price has increased here. So that's essentially what this is saying, is that you can have a maximum of 1,000 with this one and 500 with this price point. And it obviously scales up from there. So if you have 5,000 subscribers, maybe you're moving over from a different email marketing solution and you have subs already, you can have 5,000 for $75 per month or $50 per month with this plan. And so you see that goes up. Maybe you have 10,000, maybe you're lucky enough to have 10,000. You are paying more per month, but with a list of 10,000 good, warm subs, that can be a very lucrative list. So it's well worth paying per month. So depending on what your subscriber amounts are and how many you're bringing over from a previous email solution maybe, or how many you have on your list in general, you will need to pay a different amount based on that. As we scroll down, we see the different prices side by side, what you get and what you don't get. And it's always good on these pricing pages to actually have this table comparison, because you can see side by side what you get, and in some cases what you don't get, based on each of the pricing plans, the done for you, the Plus and the Lite that we've covered already. So you can scroll down, you can check this out on the pricing page and see all of this information. There's a few testimonials and stuff at the bottom. So importantly, check out that free trial. click my link, get this 14-day free trial, see if this is the right platform for you, see if AWeber is the right tool for you. It might not be, absolutely fine, it's risk-free, you can cancel and you don't lose any money as long as you cancel in that 14-day free trial period. If you do want to stick around, you can stick around with one of these pricing plans. That's awesome. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.